Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you two different ways to block a number on this device. So the very first option is to use your contact list and all the contacts which are saved on your device, and the second is using the settings. Of course, I will show you both. So let's open the dialer, go to your contact list, and here let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got a block numbers option, so simply tap on it. Your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. So if you already tap on block, I don't want to report it as a spam, so if you don't want to do it also, just make sure that this option will be unticked and tap on block. And as you can see here we've got new icon, so it means that from now on this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this for now, and let me show you the second way. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recent or favorites. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got the blocked numbers option, so let's enter, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact list. Of course here you can also add a number, just tap on add a number, and as you can see here we can add the number manually. So let's enter the one you'd like to block and tap on block, and as you can see this number immediately appears on our blacklist, so from now on you won't receive any calls or texts from that number. Of course you can unblock all of those numbers just by tapping on the X button right next to it, and by tapping on unblock you can remove it from the blacklist. Let me do it again, and as you can see this is it. So that's all. This is how to block a number in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.